Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put apps on split screen on HONOR MagicBook. To put apps on split screen, you can just open at least 2 apps, up to 4. So I'm gonna open 2 apps. It can be different apps, but they have to have resizable windows. Most of the apps have it, but there are some apps that cannot have their windows resized. And now you just need to take the window, and if you want to put it in the standard split screen, so side by side, you can just move the window to the side, all the way to the side, then release and put the other one here, and it works pretty easily. There is also an option with clicking on Windows, Alt and Arrow on your keyboard, so these 3 buttons, to put it down, left, right or up, and then on the other place you can place the different window. Also, you can just hover over the maximize button and it'll also give you options to do that, like that, or you can move it up, and here you can just select the option where you want to put it. So now I'm gonna put it in the 4 or maybe let's open another window, like that. And you can also put it in the corner to move it to make it 1/4. I'm actually gonna take that window, click on Windows Alt down arrow, and then I think I could be, yes, I can resize it all. I can also resize it here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.